Hey, what's up, Stellar holders? So after a long time, Stellar is wake up and absolutely that will give you a profit and this month. So therefore, we're completely discussing this video, my brothers, to and June can there is a chance to they will give you a profit or not. So let's get started the price prediction, technical analysis, and absolutely I will update you, my brother, in this video. So kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. As you can see, my brother, especially the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is show you to exactly the change occur will be positive. So it's mean to they are going in the moon now. You can see here plus 0.67% the price is increased now just in only in the last 24 hours. Oh my goodness, it's a very great news. And the price is 0.39. It's completed 0.4 USD dollar just in a minute, my brother. You need to hold and wait for a good time because the price is increasing hour by hour. Alright, let's predicate this one. First of all, let's see the last 3-month chart, and after that, my friend, I will tell you can they will moving upward, what's my opinion, sell, hold, or buy. So as you can see, my brother, especially in this chart is going to show you, my brothers, today take a jump, especially in the start of my friend March, but after that, my friend, you can see in April they falls down, but after that again they're moving upward. Absolutely month by month they falls down and jump occur. But definitely, my friends, this month I hope they will take a very huge jump now, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing now just in only in upcoming time, so you need to hold, don't sell it. This is my personal experience, my friend. I will share you. This is not a financial video. Remember, I just, my friend, advise you. I just give you advice, otherwise you research personally. Thanks for watching. Stellar XLM holder, I hope their price will be increasing now in upcoming time. I hope the first week of month average frequency falls down, so therefore I tell you to don't see the short fail. I hope in upcoming times they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.